first time ever, even though I've been to Icy Strait multiple times, I'm gonna do the nature trail. Here we go. Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! So excited!
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Susan. Together we love to travel.
One of our favorite places to be
is aboard a Norwegian ship at sea.
Good food, drinks, and friends.
Make a relaxing trip indeed.
So come along with us
as we let the sea set us free.
So one of the workers who was guiding the people in the transporter line said that this nature trail is only half a mile. And I'm like, oh, I need the steps for today. Let's go walk the nature trail. Yes, there is bear activity, but it is fine because there's plenty of people on this trail right now. And if you stay together, stay calm, make lots of noise, you'll be fine. Looks like there might be a bench or two along the way, so that's good to know. Drop my hat. Sorry. Oh, there's some slight there were some slight inclines. Coming up to a bigger incline here. Yeah, pace yourself on this one. Yep, just as I suspected, another bench. But they are kind of few and far between. And I've taken the transporter quite a few times, so taking the trail here for the first time is pretty good. It's pretty nice. Oh my, okay. Here's an incline. Oh, somebody's pointing to something up here. And then Oh, what goes up must come down, right? Maybe? Okay, what are we pointing at? Don't know. Look up.
What is that next? Over here, if you, that tree over there. Oh, you said like, oh yeah, yeah. It's that big ball.
Oh, okay. Eagle's nest up there. Very cool. There's a big,
Come about right here. You can see it.
right about there.
Yeah, there you go. Catch that big ball.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They're huge birds.
I wonder if they keep using the same nest year after year.
You know, I'm not sure, but I want to say yes.
I mean, look at the size of that. I mean, like,
Huge.
it wouldn't surprise me if you go over and over again.
And a downward slope. Now, it is a gravel dirt path, kind of rocky, a little bit slick if it's been raining, which it did this morning earlier before we got here. So, definitely have to watch your step. And probably not recommended for anyone in a wheelchair, scooter, or walker. Maybe not even a cane. But it is pretty. And it's well shaded. Whew.
Good. I knew it. Fine when I hit my $3,000.
Bingo. Yeah, get there a little before 4 water. Maybe we'll get in.
And if I'm not mistaken, this might be the area where they used to do the forest tram excursion. We did that the first time we were here, long time ago. But yes, if you don't feel like taking the transporter, you're like me, you want some steps, you could take the nature trail. I would not, repeat, I would not recommend going off the trail though, like that gentleman over there. I would recommend staying on the trail for sure. And I just passed the 4th bench on the trail. Oh wow, there's a tree that fell over and you can see its root system. It's kind of cool. Well, sounds like crew on the Bliss are doing a drill today.
It could be back up that nest.
Alright, continuing on. And there's our 5th bench for the trail. So we only had one really steep incline there that promptly went down. Otherwise, it's been really actually kind of nice. So like I said, if you are into nature walks or hiking, or you're just like me and you want to get your steps for the day, get a light exercise in, burn off some calories from the cruise ship food, then take a walk on their nature trail here at Icy Strait Point. Now, bench number 6. Well, I wonder if I'm gonna beat Matthew or if he's gonna beat me to Adventure Dock. Bench number 7 with whatever that is.
Have your hands down. Okay, Tisha,
Ooh, hold on, there's another little...
Are you please? Are you?
There's another little trail over here. What is that? Does it go down to the water? No? Oh. Well, that's sad. Okay, never mind. We won't go that way. We'll keep going this way. Looks like it's gotten a little muddier through here. Oh, okay, so right through here, these little platforms and different rigging and stuff up here is the ropes course that you can do. I think they still have it available anyway. Anyways, they might not be operating it right now though. Bench number 8. Yeah, so this is a ropes course. I don't know if they are operating it anymore though. But it looks really cool. Given the chance, I would maybe do it. I believe that's bench number 9 now, if I'm counting correctly. And looks like I'm almost to the end. And there's the transporter. So you basically almost follow the same path that the transporter takes, just a little more windy, a little more ups and downs. Oh look, bench number 10. Alright, we are getting really, really close to the end. Like I said, it's really kind of muddy on this end of it. Maybe add some more gravel, I don't know. Alright, we look up. There's the transporter. Oh wow, there's a long line for the transporter going back over to Wilderness Landing. But we have reached the end of the trail. That was fun. At least for me it was fun. Do watch your step though. Like I said, it's kind of muddy. Okay. And we have made it to the end of the nature trail. Hope you enjoyed it.